Oo, lagi niya daw kasi hinahawakan yung mukha niya, dumadami.
Wala, binubuhat ka naman namin papunta sa room mo eh.
Ganon.
Diba, Renzo kayo?
Bigat?
Yeah. No, kasi she's in love. She has something for she's in love. Yeah. Oh, yun lang yan. In love ka lang siguro.
Ganon.
Sino?
Wala.
Kasi ganito ba?
Kayo talaga.
She finally said it. Now her pimples are gonna get huge.
Oh, man.
Patingin.
Ayaw.
Oo, bawal lang. Patingin.
Ayaw.
Oy, bawal.
Oo. Ano yung word na sinabi ni Kuya? Wag.
Huwag kalikutin.
Ano yan?
Huwag mo
Touch?
gagalawin. Don't forget. No, man. Kalikutin.
Oh, okay.
Kalimutin is forget. Kalikutin is parang...
Ganon.
Take care of it.
Yeah, take care.
Tapos na.
Last. Ikot.
Ikot mo, ikot.
Ikot.
Hey man, she's gonna get dizzy. What's wrong with you?
She needs to get busy. Ikot.
Nahilo na ako.
Nahihilo daw siya sa inyong dalawang, sino pipiliin?
Hindi.
You're
Oo, nang
confused.
babae yung babe mo, ate.
You're confused. She's confused. Better which one of us.
Or is S love that's making you confused?
Yeah? Oh, she said no.
Hello, babe. Baka
Whoa!
Ay, ano ba yan?
Masaktan ka. Ako na dyan.
Ano ba yan? New Year na. Oh.
Hindi bago.
Oh, napaig na. Oh. Binayan
So
mo.
ano, kunin ko na to?
Pwede.
Ay, puta. Plato, please. Watch it, oil.
Ay!
Uy, nakakatakot!
Kuya, pahinaan ulit yung apoy.
Wait lang, pwede niyo tingin ito.
Don't worry. We
Ay,
can't.
ay.
We can't, man.
Oh, well.
Tikman.
Okay, wait lang. Ganito. Mainit.
Ayaw.
Mainit. Pero.
No, ang laki.
Okay na yun.
Gusto niyo?
Hinighlight yun ng ano. Hinighlight yan ng ano.
Makulang ba?
Oh, nakalimutan kong asin.
Ay, alo?
Kasi naman kung sino-sino iniisip.
Ay, mamaya mo na kasi ako isipin. Naman eh.
Uy,
Is that a salt she seasoned me? Seasoned me? Yeah. She's gonna eat me later. Forgot to put. Anong lasa nito?
walang nang asin.
Asin pa.
Kayo kasi eh.
Kasi. That looks good. Ano ba yun?
Akala ko ang asin. Ginano.
She's so confused na. Sobrang Sobra. Bro, I think we should, not first. Because we need to eat later. Yeah, see you later.
Tignan mo. Face na siya.
Oh, sure.
Be!
Why are you so
Ano ba yan?
confused? Don't be confused. Yeah.
Killer!
I mean, you think this is a competition?
I know. I'm just letting you have
I have a girlfriend.
Alam ko na kung paano i-explain ni Patrick yung sarili niya paglabas.
Ano?
Friends lang kami.
Kaya, friends naman talaga kami, di ba, friends?
See?
Best friends pa nga.
I think, dude, I think that's the first thing they're gonna ask you when you get out of the house.
May questions pala, ganun.
Hi!
Oo, interviewin
What about
ka.
your girlfriend?
We're still together. That can be funny.
You're right. You're right.
Oo nga!
Okay lang naman kahit mag-break ka na rin.
Hindi okay yun.
Di ba? May critic ka naman. Oh.
Hindi.
Ano
Hindi
ka? Wala
pwede
sa'yo.
yun. Foul yun, foul. Oo, bite ko pa naman.
What? I can't hear you.
Uy,
Kulang yung egg. Pero hindi. Sakto lang.
sakto lang.
Hindi.
Ikaw!
Sayang.
Ikaw!
Don't rush her, man.
Ikaw!
What's wrong with you?
She's not...
Ah,
That's nice. Wag pa! Wag dyan!
Sino ba?
Nag-iingay lang kami. Ito rin, napagaling pa kami.